also cell, or you can say that it can store only one bit at a time. So here there are some types of flip-flop. So first type is clocked flip-flop. As the name suggests, in this circuit we use a clock pulse with the flip-flop. Clock pulse is present and it is always be 1. Okay. So first we make a diagram. So here we take 4 NAND gates. Same as circuit we used in the flip-flop, just making a latch circuit. It is also called a latch. So there are 4 NAND gates. Here the inputs are named as S and R. This is S and this is R. And one clock pulse is present, which is both connected with both NAND gates. That is clock pulse. Clock pulse is actually a synchronization, we can say that it is a synchronization with which it can, when we apply the input, it can synchronize with the real circuit. It can be just a timing control for your circuit. So it is always be 1. Okay. So first output is connected with this NAND gate, and for this is connected with this NAND gate. Here the outputs are, this is first output, that is your present state, that is called as Qn, and next state is Qn bar, means other side we take it as complement. Here this output is connected with this circuit, and this Qn is connected with as input to this gate. So here we type the name. This is my, suppose G3, गेट का नेम दे रहे हैं G4, and this is my G1, gate number 1, and this is G2. So here this is a circuit for S and R using clocked pulse. If we consider the next state, this is the present state Q1, so next state will be Qn plus 1, and here it is the complement of Qn plus 1 at the other end. Now here side by side we learned about the truth table, how the circuit is working. So here I am making the truth table of that circuit. In the truth table, we consider the clock pulse is always be 1. Then second input is my S. Not second input, it can be say that it will be a first input has, and next it is your present state, and last is your next state. So here we write it is clock. It is S R. It is Qn, which is called as present state also, and it is Qn plus 1. We always be interested in the next state, not present state, because present state is that state which is just when you start your circuit, it be saved into the circuit. So we always be interested in the next state. तो हमें next state जानना है अपने circuit का. तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे truth table. ठीक है. Now the first combination, what will be the combination? Clock always be 1 every time, क्योंकि आपका जो clock है circuit का वो हमेशा on ही रहेगा. So in the first case, when S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 0 means दोनों ही input हमारे 0 हैं, then what will be happen in your circuit? So हमें ये देखना है. अब जब भी आपका circuit 0 0 आपने provide किया तो we don't know the present state. Actually present state, it can be 0, it can be 1, it depend upon the combination you provided. Okay, so we calculate here the Qn plus 1. So now here when you apply 0, and this is always be 0, so here clock is always be 1. ठीक है. Then after getting the output of G3, what will you get? It is just 1 and 1 both sides. ठीक है. And it will be stored as present state, or it can be used as present state. But what will be the Qn? Qn plus 1 is the output of that G1. Means G1 जो गेट है आपका, इससे जो भी आउटपुट आएगा नेक्स्ट, वो Qn plus 1 ही होगा. मीन्स नेक्स्ट स्टेट होगी when one clock is passed. Okay, so it is, we can write it as, अब इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? That is 1 dot, मीन्स एक इनपुट तो आपका ये रहा, जो आप G3 से जो आउटपुट है वो इनपुट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, और दूसरा जो इनपुट है that is your Qn bar. So here Qn bar and NAND गेट लगा हुआ है, तो हम यहाँ पर उसका बार भी यहाँ पर हम शो करेंगे. तो दिस इज द आउटपुट ऑफ G1 गेट. ठीक है. सो इट कैन बी बार, मीन्स बार, Qn bar का bar means it is Qn. So here we don't know the it is present state or it is a next state. So we can calculate here the complement port also. So Qn plus 1 bar, what will be that? हम इसलिए देख रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें Qn ही मिला है, नॉट 0 नॉट 1. तो हम एक बार देख लेते हैं कि नेक्स्ट पोर्ट पे क्या हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट जो कि है आपका G2 का आउटपुट. तो G2 में क्या होगा? इट इज 1 डॉट 1, तो एक आपका इनपुट ये हो गया, और दूसरा जो इनपुट है आपका दैट इज योर Qn, और उसका बार, इट मीन्स यू गॉट Qn बार. यानी कि हमें इससे ये पता चला कि जो आपकी नेक्स्ट स्टेट है वो Qn है, यानी कि जो प्रेजेंट स्टेट है वही आपकी नेक्स्ट स्टेट है, और दूसरे पोर्ट पे भी हमें क्या मिल रहा है? Qn बार. मीन्स जो आपकी प्रेजेंट स्टेट होगी वही आपकी नेक्स्ट स्टेट होगी. सो इन दिस केस when S is 0, R is 0, you don't know the present state, but Qn plus be written as Qn. मीन्स आपका जो नेक्स्ट स्टेट होगा वो भी जो होगा वो प्रेजेंट स्टेट ही है. ठीक है. Next, second input, or we can say second case, when S is equals to 0 and r is equals to 1. ठीक है. Now what will be the case? s आपका 0 है, r आपका 1 है. So यहाँ पर जो इनपुट मिलेगा आपको, या सॉरी आउटपुट मिलेगा G3 पे 1 मिलेगा, और यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा 0. करेक्ट. नाउ कैलकुलेट Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1, it can be written as, which is the output of your G1 circuit. So Qn plus 1 क्या होगा? एक इनपुट G1 गेट में जा रहा है, that is 1, और दूसरा इनपुट क्या है आपका? Qn बार, और उसका भी बार. तो ये आपका G1 पे जो आउटपुट आएगा, जो आएगी आपकी नेक्स्ट स्टेट. So it is simply a Qn. Again it is a present state. So again we check the complement port, means you can check here the Qn plus 1 bar. At that port is G2. G2 का जो भी आउटपुट होगा वो आपका Qn plus 1 बार होगा. तो इसको देख लेते हैं. तो फर्स्ट एक इनपुट आपका आ रहा है 0 और डॉट, और एक इनपुट क्या है आपका? Qn, और उसका बार, which is equals to 0 dot anything, it will be 0. 0 bar. 0 bar का मतलब है complement of 0, that is your 1. So here we got the state 1, means आपका जो complement port पे है वो 1 है. तो obviously जो Qn plus 1 होगा वो क्या होगा? 0, क्योंकि दोनों ही complement हैं. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं when s is 0, r is 1, present state is don't care, Qn plus will be 0. And this state is also called as reset state of the circuit. This is the second case. Now third case, when s is equals to 1 and r is equals to 0, what will happen to the circuit? So taking s is 1 and r is 0. Here the output of G3 is 0. Here the output of G4 is 1. Now what will be the Qn plus 1? Qn plus 1 is equals to, yes, that is the G1 output. G1 का output कैसे लेंगे हम? इसमें हम लिखेंगे it is 0, एक इनपुट 0 है G1 के लिए, और दूसरा इनपुट है आपका Qn का बार, और ये NAND गेट लगा हुआ है, तो it can be taken as bar. 0 multiplied by anything, it's 0. 0 bar, which is equals to 1. We get the state Qn plus 1 as 1. So we don't need to check the complement port here. So we write it as when s is 1, r is 0, present state is don't care, it will be a 1. This state of the circuit is called as set state. Now fourth case. When S1 and R also be 1, दोनों ही आपके इनपुट जो हैं 1 स्टेट में होंगे, then what will be happen to the circuit? तो दोनों ही हम 1 ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है. तो 1 जब होगा तो दोनों ही सर्किट, दोनों ही गेट प्रोपोगेट होंगे. G3 G4 दोनों ऑन है इस टाइम पे, 1 इनपुट है. तो here we got 0. ठीक है. Now check Qn plus 1. Again it is 0 dot what? Qn bar per bar, which again 0 bar, which is equals to 1. ठीक है, तो एक बार अब दोनों ही गेट प्रोपोगेट है, तो हम एक बार Qn+1 बार भी देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि दोनों ही प्रोपोगेट होंगे G4 गेट भी. सो हियर वी कैन चेक Qn+1 बार, which is equals to it is also one input as 0 and second input as Qn per bar, which is equals to what? 0 bar and equal to 1. But in the circuit theory, Qn+1 and its complement, it can't be same. मीन्स अगर Qn+1 स्टेट अगर आपका 1 मिल रहा है आपका आउटपुट, तो दूसरा कॉम्प्लीमेंट 1 नहीं हो सकता. इट विल बी 0. It can't be same. So this state is called as indeterminate state. ठीक है, और शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं इसको IT. Means which is not possible. Indeterminate means not possible. It can't be happen. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. So इसलिए हम यहाँ पर ट्रुथ टेबल में एंटर करेंगे. When S is equals to 1, R is equals to 1, present state is don't care. Here we can write it as ID. That is your indeterminate state. So ये तो था आपका सर्किट किस तरीके से वर्क करेगा, उसका सर्किट डायग्राम एंड द ट्रुथ टेबल. Here the representation we can take it as, इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं, अगर हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है अपने सर्किट को, तो here we take it one input as here is R and here is clock and this is Qn and this is your Qn bar. So यहाँ पर लिख लेते हैं, it is S, it is R and it is clock, it is Qn, this is Qn bar, and here it is SR flip-flop. So this is the logic. Actually इसको हम बोलते हैं logic symbol of the circuit. It is logic symbol. मतलब हम कहीं पर भी इसको अपनी सर्किट थ्योरी में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो it is logic symbol. So that's all for the clocked SR flip-flop.